what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I know y'all heard it. I know y'all seen it. I am trying the Popeyes, not Popeyes. Damn. I'm trying the new McDonald's chicken sandwich. Now, I got a regular one and I got a spicy one. They're supposed to put extra pickles, but they didn't. But y'all know, McDonald's isn't. I really don't eat anything other from McDonald's than French fries and nuggets. So, we about to see how it's gonna go. Let me get a thumbnail. I only got two because y'all wasn't really too in keen. So y'all, if y'all think my skin look a little weird, I am peeling for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I changed cleansers. But you can see that I'm peeling. But it's cool. Y'all my people. And so I was going to get on here and do a video anyway. So this is the regular one. And already, they didn't give me extra pickles. And they burnt my bun. We starting off bad, y'all. I'm starting off bad. So let's see. Hold on. Let me cleanse my palate. Okay. Here we go. Okay, it's not bad. You know what I think they did? They already make a buttermilk chicken sandwich, so it tastes just like that. And I really think they just used the chicken from that, put it on the butter bun, on the same type of bun, and then add some spicy like mayo to it. Because before I used to eat the buttermilk chicken sandwich from McDonald's, but then I stopped eating that once I got turned on Chick-fil-A. Honestly, it's not a bad sandwich. Not at all. But would I prefer a spicy deluxe from Chick-fil-A? I mean, McDonald's can't compete where they can't compare. I'm just, you know. This is giving me like, I've already had this before. Like, this is nothing like new. There's no like excitement here. If you haven't already, go subscribe to my vlog channel. I do have a video coming out either this weekend or the start of next week, like Monday, Tuesday, somewhere around there. And I got a seafood boil coming out soon. So yeah, I'm trying to stay consistent, y'all. I'm trying. And shout out to all of the new people, all of the new supporters, all of the new subscribers. I appreciate y'all, because without you guys, I would not be doing this. I love you guys. Welcome to the family. And yeah, we're going to do this one bite at a time. I'm always open to suggestions, comments, and concerns, and feedback. Please send it. Send it. Yeah, I really only like McDonald's has some of the best fries, hands down. But that Chick-fil-A waffle fry, ooh. Okay, I had to cleanse my palate again. Y'all, this ain't gonna be a long video. I ain't gonna be talking much because this is a review. So right now, I already see they did not put extra pickles on this one either, and they burnt my bun, and it was really not giving me a lot of sauce. Now, if they did something like Chick-fil-A and had this sauce on the side, and you could put extra sauce, maybe. Or maybe I should have asked for extra sauce, so maybe I'll do that next time. So it's supposed to be the spicy one, and already I don't really smell any spice, but let's see what it tastes like. Okay. Now the spice came from whatever little mayo that is on the sandwich. And it's not really spicy, but it does have a kick. Now this chicken and this chicken are exactly the same. So I thought the chicken itself was going to be spicy and not the sauce. So maybe that's why they didn't put that sauce on this sandwich. Interesting. Because when you go to Chick-fil-A, you order a spicy chicken sandwich, and the seasoning is in the chicken. I never thought to do it like that. That's clever. What I can say, if I ever got this again, I will get the spicy, add for extra mayo, and extra pickles on top of that. I'm a pickle person. I like a lot of pickle in the sandwich too. Not bad at all. If I had to rate this meal, 6 out of 10. Not really like my favorite, like, you know, if I had to choose between this or stopping at Chick-fil-A, I'm definitely gonna stop at Chick-fil-A. They sandwiches just seem a little bit better to me. And I don't really care for the Popeyes chicken sandwich because it just seems like a large chicken breast on a sandwich. I mean, Chick-fil-A add the lettuce, the tomatoes, the pickles. You got all these sauces you can choose from. You can change it up. I don't know. To me, in my opinion, Chick-fil-A is still leading the spicy chicken sandwich game. I'm sorry. Don't argue with me. Argue with your mama. But yeah, I feel like Chick-fil-A is still in the lead. That's just my opinion. But hey, who am I? Y'all, I'm getting sleepy already. That's a shame. See, y'all, I am peeling. This is ridiculous. Don't think I ain't washed my face this morning because I did wash my face, but I am peeling like crazy. I need to get some Aqua 4 or something. Cause this ain't gonna work for me. But guess what? I'm still gonna put this video out because the thing about doing YouTube, confidence is key. If you'd have asked me if I first started when I get on here with my face peeling and a little ash around here, you thought I would have done it? No, I wouldn't have. But now I'm more confident with the camera. I can turn the camera on and just start talking like I'm doing. And then now what I've noticed since I moved the monitor, I'm focused more here instead of over here like I was before. Like I would eat, look over here, eat, look over there. Now I'm like center stage. So, and this is my show. I can do what I want. But yeah, this is a short video. I'm just trying to keep this content rolling. I do have a video dropping on this channel, well, 2 videos dropping on the channel. I'm doing a seafood boil probably tomorrow. And you probably won't see that until Friday. Then Saturday I might do chicken wings and fries. But you won't see that video until Sunday. And then also Saturday, I'm going to record the video for my vlog channel. So you'll probably see that either the beginning or next week. Because I don't want to drop 2 videos on 2 separate channels at the same time. That's going to make people choose between which video they watch. So you might get a mukbang on Saturday and a vlog channel video Monday. Yeah, that sounds about what it is. So y'all know the videos, they are coming. They coming. Ashley facing off. They're coming. Parrot. Sorry. I think I do gotta stop looking at my phone during the video. You know, they've probably been good. A milkshake. Alright. This is a quick one. I love you guys. I knew I wasn't going to finish this. I'm not really feeling it. But anyways, thank you to all of my new supporters. I love you guys. We are at 120 subscribers. I thank you for all the new people who joined me. I know I've postponed this several times, but I am going to do a giveaway when I reach a certain number. Now, I don't know what number that is, but a giveaway. I should just do a giveaway now. I should. Because I've been saying for months I was going to do a giveaway, and I still ain't done that. So get this. Comment down below on what I should give away, or give me an idea on how I should do the giveaway. Now, originally, I was going to do the giveaway in a video, like during a mukbang. I was going to put everybody's name. That's going to be a lot of work, but I was going to put everybody's name in like this fish bowl to make it fair, and then I was going to reach in, pull a name out, and whoever name that was, they would have won the giveaway. So comment down below on what I should give away, and if I should do a giveaway now or should I wait. And then also, I love you guys. If don't nobody tell you today that they love you, I love you. You guys, you know you are my people. Welcome to my family, new people. I love you guys too. I pray for all of you guys. I forgot to say prayer before I ate. Lord, forgive me. But anyways, yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for keeping me consistent. Thank you guys for all the love you showed me on Instagram. Thank you for showing me all love on TikTok. I love you guys too. And remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anybody and everybody. Let your boy know he's on this channel. And I'll see you in the next lit video. Hey, 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 hey. I should put some music to the end of this. Maybe. I'll think about it. Peace. Gotta go.